Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding products to your store. To get started, go to the product menu and click on the All Products submenu. You'll see all the products that have already been added. To add a new product, click on the Add Product button. For now, let's start with the general details of the product. We'll cover the rest of the details tabs present at the top of the page in the upcoming videos. Let's give the product name Achi Chicken Masala. And you can also specify a short description of the product if you want to provide more details about the product. Then in the price details section, enter the selling price of your product as $2.17. If you wish to provide a 25% discount, then enter the MRP. Here I have entered $2.89. To update the stock availability count for a specific location, scroll down to the availability location section. Here I'm going to choose the stock location as Portland. If the stock count is limited, select as limited and enter the stock count as 250. Enter the low stock threshold value as 10. To know more about the low stock threshold, check out the inventory video link in the description. In case you have unlimited stock, please click on Unlimited. If you want to add a stock count for multiple locations, add them by clicking on Add Location and then select the location and provide the available stock. If your desired location is not listed, you can create a new one by navigating from this link. To know more about the locations, check out the video link in the description. Once you have updated these 3 mandatory fields, then save the product by clicking on the Save button. Now the product is created successfully. To enter more details about the product, search for the product name. Click on the Edit icon. A product will look good with an image. Let me show you how to add an image to the product. Click on Add Image to add the main image and click on the Browse Files button. There are 3 methods to upload images. Select image from your device, from ZenBasket Gallery, or from the Store Image Gallery. To know more about the Store Image Gallery, check out the video link in the description. You can also add other angle images by clicking on Add More Images. Click on the product videos to insert a promotional video of your product. Then in the product availability section, check the box to show this product on your store's website. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Let me show you how the product looks on your website. Select the location to view the products. To particularly view the Achi Chicken Masala, search the product using the search bar. And it results in the product, Achi Chicken Masala. Simply click on the Edit action. By selecting Brand, you can specify the brand associated with the product. To know more about brands, check out the video link in the description. Additionally, you can choose the appropriate categories to associate the product with one or multiple categories from the provided list. To know more about categories, check out the video link in the description. Click Update to save the changes. On the website, your customer can filter products using brands and categories. Click on the category at the top and then choose the brands. The product gets displayed. By clicking on the product, you will be directed to the product details page where you can view added images, the short description, discounted price, and availability of the product. Edit the product in the admin and set a maximum order quantity to limit the amount of a product that a customer can buy at once to avoid the sudden depletion of your stock. Now, move on to product unit count. If you want your customers to purchase products in a minimum quantity of 3 per order, this option is applicable. When a customer adds a product to their cart, the default quantity will be set to 3. Subsequently, for each additional click, the quantity will increase in increments of 3. For example, the next click will make the quantity 6, the following click will be 9, and so on. Next, choose the weight unit. If you enable deposit amount in the product setting, it will be displayed here. Also, you can provide a detailed description of the product. This could include valuable information about the product, including its advantages, unique features, and potential benefits. Check Add Variants to this product if your products have variants like multiple weights of the product. To know more about variants, check out the video link in the description. By checking the Provide, Replace, or Remove option to this product checkbox, you can enable your customers to notify you whether they would like a replacement product or prefer to have the out-of-stock item removed from their order when a product they ordered is out of stock. However, if the checkbox is left unchecked and a product becomes out of stock, the unavailable item will be removed from the order during the packing process. Next, in tax details, if you have specific taxes for your products, then choose Taxable and choose your tax class. Else, select Non-Taxable. For now, let me just choose Non-Taxable. Then moving on to price details, we have already entered the selling price and the MRP. If you get products directly from the manufacturing industry or if you create the product yourself, then enter a value that is based on your labor cost, making cost, etc. in the actual price. It's only available on the admin side, which is visible only to you. You have the option to provide wholesale prices for the wholesale purchasers. For that, enable Wholesale plugin. If you're not a wholesaler, then leave it empty. Here I have entered $1.99. This price only displays to the customers who are all approved as wholesalers by you. To know more about the wholesale process, check out the video link in the description. Then in other details, you can also track your products with SKU and UPC. Moving on to ribbons, click on Add Ribbon. Choose the ribbon name and the position and click Save. To know more about customization or adding a new ribbon, follow the ribbons video link in the description. If you check the product returnable checkbox, you can accept return for this product once delivered. Note, if you choose the industry type as restaurant in the store detail setting, you can choose the product type for your menu item. You can also preview the product by clicking on the preview button. Let's see how the product looks on the website. That's all. You have successfully added a product to your store. In the product list page, you can search for a specific product using the product name in the search bar. You can filter products based on category, availability, and stock status by clicking on the filter icon. Also, you can sort products based on product name, recently created, and recently updated. By clicking on the quick edit icon, you can modify only the product's name, category, selling price, MRP, actual price, and wholesale price. Here, I just changed the product name as Achi Chicken Masala, 100 gram, 3.5 ounce, and then clicked Update it. Also, you can duplicate the product by clicking on the duplicate icon if you have similar products and make any necessary edits or modifications. If you want to provide additional recommendations to this product, click on the related product icon. To know more about related product, check out the video link in the description. If you want to share product on the social media, click on the Share Product icon. To delete a specific product, click on the Delete icon. If you want to delete multiple products, check the boxes and click on the Remove button at the top. And disable availability status to disable the visibility of the product at the website. This may ensure that customers are not able to place orders for products that are currently unavailable. That's all you need to know about adding and managing products in your store. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.